Happy Tuesday, everyone. How are you today? Let's get started on our calendar. I hope that yesterday you started your own calendar. Remember, you're going to do it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but you don't turn it in or mark as done until Thursday, okay? It's something you got to do each day. All right. Echo me. The month is September. I noticed that yesterday was September 21st. So if yesterday was the 21st, we think about what comes next. And I know the 22nd comes next. So it is September 22nd. Let's go to our date. September is the 9th month. September 22nd. 2020. Let's put it in word form. September 22nd, 2020. That's a lot of twos today. Let's look back at our calendar and see what day of the week it is today. I see that today is Tuesday. So if today is Tuesday, go back to yesterday. What day of the week was yesterday? Monday. So if yesterday was Monday and today is Tuesday, then tomorrow will be Wednesday. Yesterday we had been in school 8 days. 8 counting on 1 is 9. We have been in school 9 days so far, and you guys are doing awesome. We need to make 9 cents. I'm going to start with 5 cents, the nickel. And then I'm going to add 4 pennies because I know that 5 plus 4 equals 9. All right, yell these words out. Be faster than Miss Waller. Here we go. R, Y, does, when, do, there. We're counting by 5s today. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 105, 110, 115, 120. Keep up the good work.